Good morning, students. Continue the discussion. Today can be discussed with some condition of minor and cofactors of a determinant. So first, whatever the definitions or meaning of minor and cofactors. So now generally A is one of the square matrix. Elements of A can be written as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22. It's one of the 2 cross 2 matrices. Now minor of that elements are can be, each elements can be defined in terms of minor. So minor of the element is, what are the elements of A11 is an elements of the first row and first column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining element is called the minor of A11. So in generally Aij is an element of the matrix. The minor of the elements of Aij of a determinant, which is eliminate elements are in their ith row and jth column. What are the elements are in their ith row and jth columns are get removing or neglected, and the remaining element is called the minor of that element. So minor of the element Aij of a determinant is defined by if the elements of ith row and jth columns are get neglected and the remaining element is one of the minor of Aij. So similarly minor of A11, minor of A11. So now A11 is an element of first row and first column. A11 is an element of first row and first column, and these are get neglected and the remainings are nothing but A22, that is called the minor of A11. So that is denoted by capital Mij. Minor of elements are generally, minor of Aij or elements of general elements of the minors is denoted by Mij. So similarly minor of A11, minor of A11, it's denoted by M11 and it's defined by what are the elements of first row and first columns are get neglected and the remaining is nothing but A22. Similarly minor of A12, minor of A12. Again A12 is an element of the first row and third column. A12 is an element of first row and third column, second column. These are get neglected and the remaining is nothing but A21, that is denoted by AM12. So M12 is minor of first row, second column is nothing but A21. Similarly, so we'll come to the second row. Minor of A21, minor of A21. So A21 is an element of the first column, second row. It's an element of the first column, second row, and these are get neglected and the remaining element is A12 and it's also denoted by M21, minor of second row, first column. Similarly minor of A22, minor of A22. So again A22 is an element of the second row, second column, and these are get neglected and the remaining element is nothing but A1. So that is denoted by A22. So these are will be called as minor elements of the square matrix A of order 2 cross 2. So similarly whatever the minor of each elements of the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now elements of A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It's one of the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now first will A minor of A11, that is generally denoted by M11. If it is shortly denoted by M11 is the minor of A11, M12 is the minor of A12, M21 is the minor of A21, M22 is the minor of A2. Similarly M11 is called the minor of A11. So A11 is an element of the first row and first column. These elements are get neglected and the remaining elements is one of the 2 cross 2 determinants. So remaining elements are A22, A23, A32, A33. So after then we will get simplified by using in their cross multiplication of 2 cross 2 determinant. A22, A33 minus A23, A32. That is one of the after simplification of 2 cross 2 determinant. Otherwise, if it is also not necessary in this procedure, just will return as in the form of 2 cross 2 determinants. Similarly, M12. So M12 means minor of A12. M12 is the minor of A12. Again, A12 is an element of the first row, second column. A12 is an element of the first row, second column. These elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are A21, A23, A31, A33. These are will be called as minor of A12 and it's also denoted by M12. Next one is M13. So M13 means minor of A13. Now A13 is an element of the first row, third column. A13 is an element of first row, third column and these elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are A21, A22, A31, A32. These are the minor of A13. So next we will come to the elements of second row, A21. So next minor is M21. So M21 is called the minor of A21. Now A21 is an element of the first row, second row, first column. A21 is an element of the second row, first column and these are get neglected and the remaining elements are nothing but A12, A13, A32, A33. Then next will M22. So M22 means minor of A22, where A22 is called as elements of second row, second column. A22 is an element of second row, second column and these elements are also get neglected. What are the elements of second row and second columns are get neglected? Remaining elements are nothing but A11, A13, A31, A33. Similarly, next element is M23. So M23 means minor of A23. Now A23 is an element of the second row, third column. A23 is an element of the second row, third column and these elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are A11, A12, A31, A32. These are the minus of A23. So next will come with the third row A31. Next will M31, where M31 means minor of A31, where A31 is an element of the first column, third row. A31 is an element of the first column, third row and again these elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are nothing but A12, A13, A22, A23. Then next one is M32. So M32 means minor of 32. So now A32 is an element of the third row, second column. A32 is an element of the third row, second column and these elements are get neglected and the remaining elements are nothing but A11, A13, A21, A23. Then the last element is M33. So M33 is called as minor of A33. M33 is a minor of A33. Again A33 is an element of third row, third column, and these elements are get neglected, and the remaining elements are called A11, A12, A21, A22. So these are the minor of A33. So now these are will be called as minor of each elements of one of the square matrix. Therefore, in generally it can be defined by Aij is one of the general elements of the matrix. Then minor of an elements Aij of a determinant is defined by eliminating the elements of ith row and jth column. So it's an element of the in which row and which columns are represented for I and j is an element of the ith row and jth column. So after that solutions is nothing but one of the minor of that element, and it's generally denoted by Mij. These are will be called as minors. But next will cofactors. So cofactor means what are the elements of the minor of each elements of a determinant are multiplied by some corresponding alternating sign of the determinants. So what are the elements of the minors are multiplied by alternating sign of the determinant. So first will what are the sign of determinants in a 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 determinants. First will 2 cross 2 determinant, what are the sign can be defined by plus, minus, minus, plus. This it can be defined by the elements of the determinants, that is generally denoted by minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j is a corresponding sign of each elements of the determinant. I and j are represented for in the elements are in which row and which column. So if it is already explained in the first class of the determinants. So what are the sign of the 2 cross 2 determinant and what are the sign corresponding sign of the 3 cross 3 determinant. So in the first elements of 2 cross 2 determinant A12. So 1 1 are represented for in which rows and in which columns. So A11 means elements are in the first row and then first column. After we'll get substitute in the solution. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. That is minus 1 whole power of 2 is nothing but positive. That is the sign of the first element of 2 cross 2 determinant. Similarly, next element is A12. Again I is nothing but 1 and j is nothing but 2. I plus j is 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is equal to minus, that is the sign of the second element of the 2 cross 2 determinant. So we'll come to the second row A21, where A21 is an element of the second row first column. Elements of second row first column. Therefore I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. Again 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is equal to minus, that is the sign of an elements of the first element of second row. Similarly, last one is A22. So A22 means I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to positive. That is the sign of last element of the determinant. So therefore, the corresponding sign of the 2 cross 2 determinant is plus, minus, minus, plus. So if these are the minor of the elements, these elements are multiplied by corresponding sign of the 2 cross 2 determinants. So what are the elements are multiplied by corresponding sign of the determinant? These are called as cofactor of the determinants. So such a cofactor elements are generally denoted by capital Ij. Capital Ij are the denoted symbol for the cofactor of the element. So it means what are the minor elements are multiplied with the corresponding sign. So therefore after multiplication, now A22 is the minor of A11. So A11 means it's a minor of A11 means it's an element of the first row and first column. What about their corresponding sign of first element? Is positive. Therefore, such an element is multiplied by plus. That is plus of A22. That is called the cofactor of A11. That is denoted by in capital letters. Capital A11. So, M11 is a denoted symbol for minor of A11 and capital A11 is the cofactor of A11. So minor of that element means what are the elements of ith and jth rows are get neglected. Ith row and jth columns are get neglected. Remaining is one of the minor of A11. So after that minor, such a solution is multiplied with the corresponding sign of that determinant. Corresponding sign of the determinants, such a solution is called the cofactor. Such cofactors are denoted by in capital letters of Aij. So that is the first cofactor, therefore it is denoted by capital A11. Similarly, M12 means it's a minor of A12. So such a solution, minor solution is nothing but A21, but it's an element of the first row, second column. Whatever the corresponding sign of that element is minus. Therefore, it's multiplied by minus. It can be written as minus A21. That is denoted by in the capital A12. It's a cofactor of minus A21 is a cofactor of A12. Similarly, third one is M21. So M21 is the minor of A21. So A21 is an element of the second row, first column. A21 is an element of the second row, first column. According to the symbols, if it is get multiplied by minus, that is minus A12, it's denoted by capital A21. That is called the cofactor of A21. Then fourth one is M22. So M22 means minor of A22, where A22 is an element of the second row, second column. A22 is an element of the second row, second column, and according to the symbol, if it is get multiplied with positive, that is plus of A11. That is also denoted by capital A. So these will be called as cofactors of the matrix A of 2 cross 2 determinants. So one of the example can be explained in the 2 cross 2 determinants. The conditions will be clear. For example, where A is one of the square matrix, elements of the matrix is 2, minus 3, 5, 6. It's one of the 2 cross 2 matrix. So first we'll find the minor of each elements of a matrix. So minors are denoted by in capital letters. M11 means minor of first row, first column. Which of that element in the first row and first column? 2. So whatever the minor of 2, it can be denoted by either in short form, otherwise by using in the sentence form. In terms of sentences, it can be written as minor of 2. Otherwise, just will be denoted by capital letters of M11. So 2 is an element of the first row and first column, and these elements are get neglected, and remaining is nothing but 6. That is called as minor of 2. Similarly, M12 means which is an element of the first row, second column. That is nothing but minus 3. So now to find what about the minor of minus 3. So minus 3 is an element of first row, second column, and these are get neglected, and the remaining is nothing but 5. Therefore, minor of minus 3 is 5. Next we'll come to the elements of 5, that is denoted by M21, where M21 is an element of second row first column, means 5 is an element of second row first column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining element is nothing but minus 3, that is minor of M21, and the last element is M22. So M22. So M22 means minor of 6, where 6 is an element of second row second column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining is nothing but 2. So these are will be called as minor of the corresponding elements of the given matrix A. So 6 is a minor of 2, 5 is a minor of 5, minus 3 is a minor of 5, and 2 is a minor of 6. Then these elements are multiplied by the corresponding element alternating sign of the determinants. So what are the corresponding sign? In the first element it's multiplied by plus, that is plus 6. Second element minus 3, second plus of the sign is nothing but minus. Therefore 5 is multiplied by minus, it can be written as minus 5. And third one is it's also negative. In the second row first element is negative. After that minus is get multiplied, minus into minus is plus 3. And the last element it's multiplied by plus, it's also can be written as plus 2. Now these are will be called as cofactor of given elements. Cofactor of the matrices or determinants. These are also denoted by A11, A12, A21, A22, and it's also represented in the form of matrices. Cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. These are will be denoted symbol for the cofactor. So similarly, now already will be discussed what are will be called as minor of each elements of the 3 cross 3 determinants. We will already discuss what are the minors of each elements of 3 cross 3 determinants. So then we will be defined for cofactors of 3 cross 3 determinants. How can be defined for 3 cross 3 determinants in terms of cofactor? So first will, what are the sign of 3 cross 3 determinants? Sign of 3 cross 3 determinants. It's generally again can be defined by minus 1 all to the power of I plus j, where I is represented for in which row and j is represented for in which column. Now 1 1, first element is nothing but 1 1. Therefore I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 all to the power of 2 is equal to positive. Therefore the first sign of the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrices is positive. The next one is minus 1 all to the power of 1 plus 2. Again 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3, minus 1 all to the power of 3 is negative. So on the third one, A13, minus 1 all to the power of 1 plus 3 is positive. And then second row, A21, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 1 all to the power of 3 is negative. A22, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 all to the power of 4 is positive. A23, 2 is 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 1 all to the power of 5 is negative. So last column, A31, 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 1 all to the power of 4 is positive. A32, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 all to the power of 5 is negative. And last one is A33, 3 plus 3 is 6, it will be positive. So we will already know that these symbols are will be called as sign of the determinants in the 3 cross 3 matrices. We will already discuss and know that in the first class of the determinants. And these symbols are get multiplied with the corresponding elements of minor. The first element is multiplied with positive. First element is multiplied with positive, that is called as cofactor of first element. A11, cofactor of first one element, that is also denoted by in capital letters, capital A11. The second element, it's a minor of A12, but sign of second element is nothing but negative, that is minus of determinant of 2 cross 2 determinant is called as cofactor of A12, that is also denoted by capital letters. And the third element is multiplied by positive, that is denoted by A13. We'll come to the fourth element. Fourth element means second row. Second row, first column. And the sign of second row, first column is minus. Therefore, it's multiplied by minus. It's denoted by A21. And the fifth element is nothing but positive. So, plus of equal to A22. And the sixth element is multiplied by minus, that is denoted by A23. And third row. Seventh element is third row, A31. A31 is multiplied by positive, that is plus of A31. And M32. M32 is a minor of A32. So corresponding sign of A32 is minus. That is also denoted by M32. And last one is positive is multiplied with plus, that will be equal to A3. So these will be called as cofactor of each elements of the matrices or determinants of order 3 cross 3. Therefore, the cofactor of A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A3. That is called as cofactors of the matrix A. And these are enclosed in the form of matrices, not in the form of determinant. But in these cases, that is a 2 cross 2 determinant. So therefore, the elements are enclosed by using the determinant. But what will be elements of cofactors are always represented in the form of matrices. Therefore, these are enclosed in the either square matrix or then simple matrix. Next one, find the minor and cofactors of the followings. So first problem is determinant of 2 minus 4, 0, 3. It's one of the 2 cross 2 determinants. Now first we'll find the minor of these elements. These are generally denoted by otherwise by using in the state form. Minor of 2, otherwise M11, or minor of minus 4, otherwise M12, or minor of 0 and minor of 3. First we'll write the minus of all the elements are in the statement form, otherwise by using in the shortcut form. Shortcut form is M11, M12, M21, M22. So first one is minor of 2. Now 2 is an element of the first row, first column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining element is nothing but 3. That is called as minor of 2. Next one is minor of minus 4. So minus 4 is an element of first row, second column. Minus 4 is an element of first row, second column, and these are get neglected and the remaining element is nothing but C. Similarly, so 0, minor of 0, where 0 is an element of first row, second column. 0 is an element of first row, second column, and these are get neglected. It will be equal to minus 4. And the last element is 3, where 3 is an element of second row, second column, and these elements are get neglected. It will be equal to. So next will cofactors. So cofactors means what are the solutions of the minor of each elements are multiplied by alternating sign or corresponding symbols of 2 cross 2 determinant. So what are the corresponding symbol? Plus, minus. In the elements of the first row is plus, minus. Second row is minus, plus. So sign of the 2 cross 2 determinant. Plus, minus, minus, plus. That is also denoted by in capital A11. So capital A11 means cofactor of first element of first row and first column. So what are the minor of that element is 3. 3 is multiplied with plus, that is also nothing but 3. That is called as cofactor of first element. Similarly, cofactor of minus 4 is denoted by A12. A12. So A12 is an element of the first row, second column. Whatever the sign of that row is minus. Therefore, such an element is multiplied by minus, but 0 is multiplied by minus is also can be written as 0. Therefore, A12 is equal to 0. Then third one is again nothing but second row. Second row, first column, sign of the determinant is minus, that is get multiplied with A21 is minus of minus 4, it will be equal to plus 4. Minus of minus 4 is plus 4. And the last element is 2, where 2 is a minor of 3. 3 is an element of the second row, second column. According to the sign, the positive of the, sign of the determinant is positive. Positive get multiplied is nothing but plus 2. So, A22 is equal to plus. Therefore, the cofactors of the determinant is 3, 0, 4. These are the cofactors. So, similarly, we will come to the second problems. 5, 6 minus 1, 2. 5, 6 minus 1, 2. So, first we will write their elements are in the either in short form or in the statement form. So, M11, otherwise it can be written as minor of 5. So, minor of 5 means 5 is an element of the first row and first column. Those are get neglected when the remaining is nothing but 2. So, A12. So, 12 means first row, second column, that is nothing but 6. Then what about the minor of 6? 6 is an element of the first row, second column, those are get neglected, it will be equal to minus 1. And M21. 21 is an element of the second row, first column, that is nothing but minus 1. Therefore, the minor of minus 1 is 6. M22 means minor of second row, second column, it will be equal to 5. And these elements are multiplied by an alternating sign. Just will remember, it's a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Those elements of the minus are multiplied with plus, minus, minus, plus. Elements are multiplied with plus, minus, minus, plus. In the first elements is multiplied by plus. That is A11 is equal to 2. And the second element is multiplied by minus. A12 is equal to minus of minus 1, it's nothing but plus. A21. A21 is plus, again minus, and A22 it's nothing but positive. So, ನೀವು 2 cross 2 determinant ಆದರೆ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In terms of 2 cross 2 determinant, plus, minus, minus, plus. So, first element is nothing but first element of the first row is positive. Second element of the first row is negative. Again, first element of the second row is negative. And second element of the second row will be positive. Plus, minus, minus, plus. But in 3 cross 3 determinant, it's all the elements are having in their alternating sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. But in case of 2 cross 2 determinant, plus, minus, minus, plus. So, in the elements of the first row is plus, minus, and the element of the second row is minus, plus. Therefore, these are will be called as cofactor of the given determinants. And in third one is M11. So, M11 means minor of first row, first column. Now, the elements of the first row, first column is 0. What about the minor of 0? So, first we will get neglected of this element, it will be equal to 7. Similarly, M1, M2. So, M2 means minor of first row, second column. So, which of the elements are in first row, second column is minus 5. Therefore, these elements are get neglected, it will be equal to 6. And next row is M21. So, M21 means elements are in second row, first column, and these elements are get neglected, and the remaining element is nothing but minus 5. And the last element is M22, means it's an element of second row, second column, and these elements are get neglected, and the remaining it will be equal to 0. Therefore, these are will be called as minor of each elements of the determinant. And these elements are multiplied with the alternating sign. These elements are multiplied with alternating sign. So, alternating sign means plus minus, minus plus. So, first element is multiplied by plus. Second element is multiplied by minus. And the third element is also multiplied by minus. That is minus into minus is plus 5. And the fourth element is multiplied by positive. So, these are will be called as cofactors of the given determinants. Next one. Similarly, find the minor and cofactors of 3 cross 3 determinants. So, first problems of 3 cross 3 determinants 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, minus 1, 2, 1. Now, first will minor of 1, that is denoted by M11. So, M11 means minor of the element in first row, first column, and these elements are get neglected and the remaining are represented in a 2 cross 2 determinants, that is 5, 6, 2, 1. After then we will get simplify, that is 5 into 1 is 5 minus 6 into 2 is 12. So, product of left diagonal minus right diagonal. After that simplification is nothing but minus 7. Therefore, minus 7 is the minor of first element of first row, first column. Similarly, A1, M2. M12. So, M12 means elements as in first row, second column. Again, get neglected on these elements and the remaining elements are nothing but 0, 6, minus 1, 1. So, elements of first row, second columns are get neglected. In the remainings are 0, 6, minus 1, 1. Again, these two are get cross multiply 0, minus half, minus 6. Product of left diagonal is 0, minus right diagonal is minus 6. After then, if it is nothing but plus 6. And the third element is M13. So, M13 is an element of first row, third column. And again, these elements are get neglected and the remainings are 0, 5, minus 1, 2. Then we will get simplified. Product of left diagonal is 0 minus product of right diagonal. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So, after that minus into minus is plus 5. That is minor of M13. Next will M21. Minor of M21. So, M21 means which is an element of the second row, first column, and these elements are get neglected and the remainings are 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. And these are get simplified. 2 minus 6, it will be equal to minus 4. Next will M22. M22. That is an element of second row, second column. M22 is an element of second row, second column. These are get neglected. Remaining is 1, 3, minus 1, 1. That is 1 minus half minus 3 is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And third element of the second row is M23. So, what are the elements of second row and third columns are get neglected and the remaining element is nothing but 1, 2, minus 1, 2. 1, 2, minus 1, 2. So, after get multiplication 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. After that minus into minus is plus 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then, we will come to the third row. M31. 31 is an element of third row, first column, and these are get neglected and the remaining is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 6. So, such a product is 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. And the next element is M32. 32 is an element of third row, second column. and these are get neglected and the remaining is 1306. After multiplication is 6 minus 0 is equal to 6 and the last element is M33. So M33 means which is an elements of third row, third column and these are get neglected and the remaining is 1205. Then the product is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now these elements are called as minor of each elements of the 3 cross 3 determinants. So after that these solutions are get multiplied by alternating sign. So in the first element it's multiplied by plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Therefore the solutions are multiplied by alternating sign. Plus, minus, plus. So ನೀವೇನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್. After these elements are multiplied by using an alternating sign, that is called as one of the cofactor of the elements. Plus into minus is minus 7, that is denoted by using in capital letters, capital A11. Similarly again plus into minus is minus 6, that is A12. Plus 5, that is A13. Similarly minus into minus is plus 4, that is A21. 4 is again A22. Minus 4 is A23. Plus into minus is minus 3, that is A31. Minus 6, that is A32. And plus 5, that is A33. These are will be called as minors and cofactors of each elements of the matrix A. So that is one of the method. But in these cases now will be separately to mention what are will be called as minors and then cofactor. But if it is not necessary to mention in both of them are in the separate forms. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ minors and then cofactor. Again will be continuing in the next formation of next procedures. So ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆರಡು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮೈನರ್ಸು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ cofactors. So next will directly can be solved in terms of cofactor. Therefore the cofactors are generally denoted by A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now first we'll write the general denoted symbols of cofactors if all the elements are 3 cross 3 matrix. So ಮೈನಸ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Now first one means A11 means cofactor. So that is the first element. The first elements are multiplied with plus. Directly it can be written as alternating sign, otherwise by using the formula for minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1. But it's not necessary to mention in all the elements of that matrix. So directly it can be multiplied by alternating sign, plus minus plus. In the second row minus plus minus, and in the third row ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cofactor elements. First will general elements of the cofactors are denoted by using in all the rows. In the first row A11, A12, A13. In the second row A21, A22, A23. And third row A31, A32, A33. After that, so if it is denoted by in the general form, after that these elements are get multiplied by corresponding alternating sign. So these are also denoted by using the definitions of their corresponding sign, otherwise just will be denoted by using the symbol. In the first row plus minus plus, second row minus plus minus, and in third row plus minus plus. So after then we'll get simplified by using in the form of determinant. So A11 means it's an element of the first row, first column, and these elements are get neglected. Remaining elements are minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 3. Suppose if it is also possible to avoid these 2 cross 2 determinant, directly will get multiplied in the form of 2 cross 2 simplification. We will already solving in the form of how to find the evaluate the determinants in 3 cross 3 matrix. So 2 cross 2 matrix na ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ 2 cross 2 determinant. After that we'll get simplify. Minus 1 minus 3 is nothing but product of left to diagonal is 3 minus right to diagonal is minus 8, that is minus into minus is plus 8 is multiplied with positive, it will be equal to 11. That is the minor cofactor of first element. In the second element, so second element is A12, which is an element of first row second column, which is an element of first row second column, and these are get neglected. That is nothing but 3, 4, 1 minus 3 are get multiplied, that is minus half. Left to diagonal is minus 9, minus right to diagonal is 4. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, minus into minus is plus 13. That is the cofactor of minus 5. And the third element is 2. Now 2 is an element of first row, third column, and these are get neglected, and the remainings are 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2. Again get simplify. Plus half. Left to diagonal is minus 6, minus right to diagonal is minus into minus is plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 into plus is nothing but minus 5. That is the cofactor of 2. So next will A21. A21 means which is an element of second row, first column. So what are the elements of second row and first columns are get neglected? What about the remaining elements of 2 cross 2 determinants? Minus 5 to 2 minus 3. Minus 5 to minus 2 minus 3 are get simplified. Minus of product of left to diagonal, minus 5 into minus 3 is 15, minus right to diagonal is minus 4, that is minus into minus is plus 4, 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 it's multiplied by minus, it will be equal to minus 19. Then next element is A22. A22 means which is an element of second row, second column, and these elements are get neglected. What are the elements of second row and second columns are get neglected? Remainings are 0 to 1 minus 3. And these are also get multiplied. So plus of left diagonal is 0 minus right diagonal is 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus into plus is also minus 2. That is an element of A22. The next element is 4. 4 is an element of second row, third column. 4 is an element of second row, third column, and these are get neglected, and the remaining elements are 0, minus 5, 1, minus 2. So get some simplified. Minus half. Left to diagonal is 0, minus right diagonal is minus 5, that is minus into minus is plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 into minus is minus 5. That is one of the cofactor of 4. Then we'll come to the third row. So A31 is an element of the third row, first column, and these are get neglected, and the remaining elements are minus 5, 2, minus 1, 4. So get simplified. Plus of left diagonals are nothing but minus 20, minus right diagonals are minus 2, minus into minus is plus 2, minus 20 plus 2 is minus 18, minus 18 into plus is minus 18. The next element is minus 2. Minus 2 is an element of the third row, second column. So, and these elements are get neglected, and the remainings are 0 to 3, 4. 0 to 3, 4. So, get simplified. Minus left diagonals are 0, minus right diagonal is 6, that is minus into minus is plus 6. And the last element is minus 3. So, minus 3 is an element of third row, third column, and these are get neglected, and the remainings are 0, minus 5, 1, minus 2. That is plus of 0 minus of minus 5, it will be equal to plus 5. So, these are will be called as cofactors of the given 3 cross 3 determinants.